guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert your Android smartphone into an Apple Watch interface. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So all you need to do is go to the Play Store and download this application, Bubble Launcher. You will find few of them with the same name, so you need to choose the one which has the green icons with a black background. Bubble Launcher Free by Nova UG. Click on that. You can see the rating is quite high, and also you can see this is a popular launcher. It has more than 100,000 downloads. Click on install. So once it's installed, just choose open. Now there will be a small tutorial to guide you how to use this launcher. Setting modes, how to move the applications, how you can remove your applications. Also you can create some folders just like iOS, and also you can change the home position. It also gives you some theme options. You have the classic theme, you have the sorted, and then you have some paid themes. But let's choose the classic theme. Click on done. So as you can see, now we have exact replica of how the Apple Watch interface looks like, and with the black background it gives a very genuine effect. It looks really cool actually. The animation is also nice, and I don't see any lag, quite smooth scrolling and everything. But you can see a small icon, the search icon over here below, in case if you can't find any application over here. I'm sure when you click here, you can just type the name of the application and find it. Now, how do we delete any applications? To delete any application, you just press and hold and click on the delete icon over here. Do you want to uninstall this application? Okay. And as you can see, the application has been uninstalled. To move any icon, you can just press and you can change the location. Just like this. After doing so, you can just click on the back icon or the home icon. So how do you create folders on this? Again, you press and hold. Try to shuffle it to another application, just like this. And you can choose the folder name, for example, XYZ. Okay. So it's gonna look like this. You can add some more. You can add some more applications. After you're done with your adjustment, you can just go click on back. Now you see the folder over here, XYZ. Also, if you want to make it a default launcher, click on the home button and you can choose the option always. Don't worry, I'll show you how to go back to your default Samsung launcher afterward. So now we have made the WatchOS as your default launcher. How to go to the setting of this launcher? Now to go to the setting of this launcher, you can just press and hold anywhere and you get these options. So this is the setting menu. Just click over here. If you like, you can upgrade to the premium version. You get more themes, and definitely it's a paid version. You can change the background also by clicking over here and choose a custom background, choose a custom or system wallpaper. But I think the black background looks amazing with the Apple Watch OS interface, so I keep it as default. You can also change the color. Also, you can choose an option to display the folder name, or you can just disable this, so you can create folders without any names. And by default you get two themes free, which is the classic and the classic sorted. The rest of the themes are premium. I think I would not like to invest on any themes. Let's choose the classic sorted. Apply. I think it really needs a lot of system permission. So this is the second theme. So in the second theme, I can see that the launcher itself has chosen a lot of folders with the different names. Like Google applications have been sorted out together, system applications, personal applications. But anytime you like to go back to the default, just press and hold and choose the setting and reset the theme to the classic. And you are in the classic Apple Watch interface. Looks cool, right? Suppose you are bored with this launcher and you like to go back to the default Samsung launcher or the default launcher of your mobile phone. You can do so by clicking over here and choosing settings. This is the system setting. Now here you choose launcher, click on home screen, and Again, click on home screen and choose the One UI, which is the default Samsung launcher. So now you're back to the home launcher. So this was a fun tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.